country ain't nothing but a company's dream. A couple 100 million workers, it's all that they see. Our hands on the tools, money writing the rules. From the sweatshop prisons to the cops in the schools. Got the middle class living like it's gonna last. Working longer, harder hours for less and less cash. Got the media spins, Republic rat twins. Got the war profiteer, corporate executive grins. Got the heroin running through the veins of the poor. Got the ghettos locked down, paying blood for the war. Got the cities decay, the dealers to pay, and the death squads working for the CIA. You got a million new jobs inside 1,000 new jails. Outsourcing the unions, profit tipping the scales. Got a brainwashed youth, a trumped up truth. Got snipers armed with rifles on the factory roof. You got a 30-minute speech full of oohs and ahs. Got the cops armed tough out there breaking the laws. Got the front row seat to your own defeat. You got the tear gas canisters filling the street. You got the laws all written for the rich and the white. Trick the rest of them fools into the army to fight in a dead-end game, each war the same. You got a land and a people and a market to claim. Got a woman beaten down everywhere that you look. In the courts, in the jails, in the schools, and the books. Got the TV set, sexism's outlet. Got a culture full of men taught to fall for that shit. Yeah, and I do too, I'm not blaming you, but I'm trying to unlearn what they said was true. Yeah, and I need help, I'm not afraid to say it. It's a subliminal tool, sometimes it's hard to see it. You got a job in an office, you got your own room. Got the pen and the paper and a drive to consume. Got the suit pressed in, got the myth that you'll win, and the raise to replace true ambition. You're gonna move up the ladder at the company speed. Gotta learn to dance quick for the company's greed. Gotta justify every step that you can with your eyes closed tight and your head in the sand. You gotta fight the desire to fight the police. You gotta fight your heart and your every belief. You gotta trust the leader, whatever he says, with the flag held high. Yeah, you're already dead, you already gave up. If you took their advice, if you played their game, you've paid their price and you're gone, gone, gone. Yeah, there's no coming back unless you realize your potential. Raise your fist and react. If we look to each other and to ourselves and ignore the phony remedies they stock on the shelves, we can undermine the greed on which the system depends in hopes to build a new world based on lovers and friends. We gotta build from the bottom what we want at the top. We gotta work together if we want this to stop. From the thick grassroots to the top of the tree, I aim for peace and justice and anarchy. I want peace and justice and anarchy. I want peace and justice and anarchy. I want peace and justice and anarchy.